Agriculture anytime, anywhere. Introducing the next generation of agriculture by AgTech company AgUni. The AgDome is a top-tier facility designed to precisely control temperature, humidity, light, and air pressure. The AgDome features a semi-cylindrical double-layer design with special film over a mesh framework and compressed air in between. It has a filter room for air intake and exhaust, a mechanical room for regulating internal air, and an entryway for easy access by people and vehicles. This facility includes 4 primary control system elements. The AgDome's interior enables air circulation within its sealed structure. When external air is needed, it enters through the filter room, undergoes primary heat exchange with a geothermal heat pump, and is then adjusted for temperature and humidity before entering the AgDome. In summer, warm air from the upper dome area is exhausted outside, while external air is drawn in through the filter room. This air undergoes initial cooling through the geothermal heat pump system before moving to the mechanical room. There, the air is further cooled to the preset temperature and humidity in a secondary stage before being circulated into the upper section of the AgDome. In winter, air from the upper part of the dome is drawn into the mechanical room, heated and recirculated, creating an efficient air circulation system. The AgDome's film transmits over 80% of sunlight, scattering it as diffused light to ensure uniform light levels throughout. This allows for optimal plant growth by utilizing natural light as much as possible. Additionally, the geothermal heat pump system lowers air temperature in summer and raises it in winter, enabling the AgDome to recycle air for heating and cooling, and thus conserving energy. The fully enclosed double-layer structure, with special film beneath the mesh, allows extensive environmental control, including temperature, humidity, light, and air pressure. The high-efficiency HEPA filter also prevents external air from entering, blocking pests and diseases. The AgDome's positive pressure system, with internal air pressure 1.3 times higher than atmospheric pressure, helps plants by delivering oxygen to their roots. With a width of 34 meters, a length of 100 meters, and a height of 17 meters, this spacious, column-free area is ideal for maximizing space, accommodating tall fruit-bearing trees, or over 10 layers of cultivation systems for a variety of crops. The AgDome provides an optimal environment to promote plant growth and maximize agricultural yield. Precision agriculture is transforming the farming industry, with AgUni's soil-based module leading the way. AgUni's module optimizes nutrient retention in the root zone, reducing water usage and dramatically lowering cultivation costs. With innovative air pressure technology, it simulates high-altitude conditions, increasing plant growth rates by over 30%. Without any pesticides or chemicals, it uses natural CO2 to promote root respiration, maintaining an ideal environment for plants free from mold or powdery mildew. AgUni's soil modules, fully stackable and infinitely customizable, are opening up new horizons in cultivation. The limitations of modern agriculture that humanity faces, AgUni is turning these limitations into innovations. A new agricultural platform that transforms human knowledge and experience into data, overcoming nature's limits through our innovations. This is the sustainable future that AgUni, an ag tech company, is building.